Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenna Tungo and you are most welcome. So guys, these are the braids that I'm going to use, and it is by Lush Hair, and it is in color number 1. I've never used this kind of brand before, but to be honest, I really love it. And of course, I'll be using my shine and jam. So here I am just sectioning my hair, and from each packet I'm going to section it into 4 parts or section. And at this particular point, it depends with how thick or how thin you want your braids to be. So for me, I'm going for jumbo braids. And that's the reason why I'm dividing my braids into bigger section. So yeah, now you know. I had already sectioned my hair, and this is what I have. So I'm telling you guys, I'm not a braider, I'm not a hairstylist, okay? So it normally takes me so much time just to section my hair. That's why I don't like to do it, you know. I don't like filming myself parting my hair because it takes me so much time, okay? Okay, let's get into the business. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and remove my hair tie, and then once I'm done, I'll just comb my hair just as you can see in the video. And then once I'm done, I'll go in with my shine and jam gel and apply it all over the roots of my natural hair, just like you can see in the video. Okay, the shine and jam gel, it really helps in holding your hair into place. And then guys, once I'm done with applying the shine and jam, I'll go ahead and take my braiding hair. You remember we divided each section into 4 parts, okay? So I'll just go ahead and grab my braiding hair just like you can see in the video, and then I'll take a smaller section of this braiding hair, okay? So after that, I'm going to hold it like so, and then I'm going to grab it and start braiding. So my natural hair will act as my middle strand, guys, okay? So I'm going to braid about 5 to 6 steps. So guys, after braiding about 5 to 6 steps, I'll again go in now with the big braiding hair. You'll see me doing that. Okay, so here I am, just continue braiding until I feel like I've gripped, the roots of my natural hair. And also I feel like this technique is very suitable if you have short hair, or if you don't know how to crochet braids. I feel like this technique is very suitable. So after that, guys, I'm going to take my bigger braid now, and I'm going to hold it like so, and then I'll start braiding. Okay, as you braid, consider borrowing some strand of hair. Remember, this other strand is thinner than the two strands, okay? So as you braid, consider borrowing so that your strands of braid may be as equal as possible. So guys, that is the only trick that you can get your jumbo braid. So if you have short hair and maybe you don't want to use elastic rubber band, or maybe you don't know how to use the crochet method, I think that this technique is very easy to follow, and also beginner friendly as well. And guys, the good thing about this technique is that you'll not feel any sort of pain or whatsoever. And please, you all, okay, look at the way my parts are. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm not so good in parting. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm learning. I'm still in the process of learning. So yes, I know my parts are not like the perfect parts. I will get a hang of it, okay? So don't worry about the parts. After all, it will be covered up by the braids at the front. So yeah. And guys, please, as you watch this video, consider subscribing. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section down below. And please let me know if by any chance you're going to try this technique, and how do you feel about it? Please comment in the comment section down below. Okay, I'm going to show you again. So I'd already applied some shine and jam gel on the roots of my natural hair, and I grab a smaller section or smaller piece of this braiding hair, and here I am just braiding my hair. And like I said earlier, I'm going to braid about 5 to 6 steps. Okay, so after that I will just go in now with the bigger braid and start braiding. So guys, it is as simple as you can see. This is one of the easiest ways of gripping the roots of your natural hair. So if by any chance you've never braided before, I feel like this technique is beginner friendly. Like, I don't know other words to describe how easy this method is. Okay, so guys, like I said before, remember this, the first braid that you did, it was thin. Okay, and you want your braids, or rather you want the strands of your braid to be equal. So as you braid, consider borrowing from the two strands just to ensure that your braids are nice and equal. So yeah guys, that is literally what I did for this method, and I'm going to braid my hair to the very end. And yeah, this is it guys. This is how easy gripping the roots of your hair is. Like, I don't know how to put it, but I think this is one of the easiest method, especially if you don't know how to use the crochet method and you are not a fan of using elastic rubber band. Then this style, or rather this technique, is to go for, I'm telling you. Okay, so I'm using the same technique. Nothing has changed. Just applying some shine and jam gel on the roots of my natural hair there. And then once I'm done, guys, I'll just comb it just to ensure that my gel is like distributed on my natural hair. And you know that I was using synthetic hair, so you want your natural hair to blend with the braiding hair. So I've just taken the smaller section of the braiding hair, and then I'm going to braid my hair about 5 to 6 steps. And then once I'm done, I'll go in with the bigger braiding hair that I will left behind, and then start braiding to the very end. Like, it is as simple as that guys. So I'll allow you guys to watch. I know I've said so much, so let me allow you guys to watch. I will see you once I am done. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. So guys, I have 24 braids. So the first row I made 3 braids. The second row I made 4 braids. The third row I made 5 braids, and then the front section I made 6 on each side. So that will total to 24 braids. So this is my last braid and I am excited. Okay, so literally guys, this is how I did my jumbo box braid. And if this video is helpful to you in one way or another, please consider subscribing. And again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up guys, and I will truly appreciate your support. Okay, I've just decided to zoom in so that you all can see exactly what I'm doing, or exactly what I have been doing all along to achieve this style. So yeah guys, this was basically it for this video. This is how I did my jumbo box braid, And yeah, I really love the final look. I really love how it's, came out, even though my parts are not like the perfect parts. But to be honest, I really love how these braids turn out. So yeah. Okay guys, so once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and trim the excess hair and trim my hair. And then once that is done, I'll just go ahead and seal the ends of this braid by dipping them in hot water. And you have to be very careful, you don't want to burn yourself. Okay, so guys, I went ahead and did my edges, but unfortunately I don't have that clip, so I don't know how I lost it really. And once I'm done, I'll just moisturize my scalp with coconut oil. And guys, this will be it for this video. This is how I did my braids, and thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. So this is the final look. So until then, bye for now and take care.